Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheena. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, everyone. I have not been vlogging. The last video that I uploaded was about my fiddle leaf figs. I've gotten so many requests to do that video, so I went ahead and did that for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. I hope it brought you some sort of value when trying to take care of the diva Miss Fiddle. But today I'm back vlogging. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a room tour. My room is not complete, okay? Pipe down. But I have updated it with some plants because my plants weren't doing that hot in my living room. I don't get as much sun as I get in my bedroom, and y'all know I love my plants. So I had to move some things around, and I brought quite a few of my plants that were in the living room into my room. So they are now part of the Bohemian Goddess jungle. I unfortunately had to move my pap sand chair that I got for my birthday that I really love, but it's in a safe place. I will pull her out once I get my luxury townhome and more space because I love that chair. But you know, my plants needed to come into this sunroom because I get a lot of sun in this room. Like I was saying, I get a lot of sun in here, so I had to bring some of my plants in here so that they won't die. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour, and yes, I have my lamp in here that I got from the Goodwill. Honey, the room is coming together. But let me show you guys around, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean this hot mess up. So there were some changes to this corner. My palm was actually used to be right here, right in front of these two pictures, but I moved it and I added my snake plant and my Chinese evergreen, and then my lickety split used to be in this pot right here, but I also moved her on the other side of the room. Now this is just for decorative purposes only. The plants that I was concerned about are on the other side of the room, so I'll show you those. And guys, that is Shelby in the background. I don't know what that child be in that room doing, but she is cracking up. So I moved Miss Palm here. Jackson is still right there, and then I moved my pampas grass back into this corner. I snagged this nightstand from Lauren. She moved out, woohoo, on Saturday, and y'all, can y'all believe the girl won't give me my key back? Anyway, I bought her this furniture for her 16th birthday. I bought her like some like, you know, teenage, like grown up, not really grown up, but you know, some she had preteen like furniture, so I wanted to upgrade her to something more along the lines of a little young lady. She did not want it. She said she was buying new furniture. You go, girl. But anyway, mama will take the hand-me-down, honey. So this just needs a fresh coat of spray paint. Yes, I did say spray paint because it's already black. I don't need to paint it. I just need to go over it. And then I will paint the hardware gold. That is the lamp that I got from the Goodwill. I will look for a lampshade this week, and then this corner will be done. Okay, so it's coming along, guys. It is coming along. So those are the changes that I made on this side. And yeah, and there's some clothes on the floor over there. So if your room is clean, congratulations. Mine ain't, so judge your mama. Okay, okay. So I had to bring my bird of paradise and my regal shield into my room because look at this leaf on the regal shield, guys. I don't think it's gonna make it. She had a leaf that was completely yellow and it freaked me out. I've already removed that one. And this was actually the leaf that was a brand new leaf. So I'm just gonna wait a while and see what happens. I mean, it looks nothing like this gorgeous leaf here, but I mean, we'll see. But I just don't know. I mean, she was not liking, see, this one looks really healthy, and then this one just has this dark color to it, but we'll see. But all of a sudden, guys, she just was not loving it in the living room. So, and then I also had a yellow, bless you, Cookie, bless you, hey girl. Yes, I talked to her like a baby. The bird of paradise also had a yellowing leaf, so I went ahead and brought her in here as well, and I changed her pot to these two gold pots. The palm was in that one. Then I had another smaller plant in that one, and I got these from Home Goods. And then this one right here I got from Marshall's. I get a lot of questions about where I get my pots. Guys, I get my pots from everywhere. I even get pots from Hobby Lobby. They're not necessarily flower pots, but that's what I use them as, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. But yeah, so this is like gonna be a plant corner. I was thinking about hanging some of my hats on this wall just as decor. I mean, of course I wear them, but I don't have a picture right now, and I have the hardest time picking wall art. I'm not gonna lie. I buy it looks good in the store, and then it doesn't look good when I get it home. So anyway, I'm thinking of just doing maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 hats, 2 rows of hats. Y'all let me know, comment down below if you have a hat wall or if you've seen something similar. I know I can look on Pinterest and probably get some inspiration, but that is just what I'm thinking. So far guys, this looks good. I want to put something above the bed. I don't know what yet. So yeah, I think everything is coming along really, really nicely. I got this from Hobby Lobby for $7.99. I think the original use for it is like a candle holder. And I did at first use it as a candle holder. I have my rubber tree in it, by the way. And then once like that candle burnt out, I was like, my plant would look awesome in here. And so I put my plant in here, guys. So Hobby Lobby, $7.99. And then I also got this one from Hobby Lobby for, I think it was like $22, but it was 50% off of tabletop decor that day. So I paid like 11 or 12 bucks. And I actually purchased this one for the purpose of putting a plant in it because I thought it was just gorgeous. And I don't know if Hobby Lobby still has this, guys. This has been quite a few months ago. So yeah, Hobby Lobby. So you can get flower pots or decorative pots for your plants from anywhere, guys. Just use your imagination. Hey YouTube, today's Monday, and I just got home from work, so I'm about to start on some of my projects. But the first thing I want to do is I want to do a few spray painting projects. Yesterday I talked about flower pots and how you can get flower pots from anywhere. You have to use your imagination. Well, in one of my recent home decor hauls, I picked up a ceramic piece. It was by DKNY Home, and I'm actually gonna use it as a flower pot, and I've already spray painted it. I'll go ahead and put a before and after picture well, I'll go ahead and put a before picture, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. But yeah, you have to just kind of like use your imagination. Don't be afraid to use spray paint. And then I have a couple other things that I want to spray paint, and I want to show you how spray painting things can make a really, really huge difference. I love a good old DIY. I love a good spray paint project. Y'all know I love, if you've been following me for a while, honey, a can of spray paint is my best friend. So let's go ahead and get started because I have a couple of things I want to spray paint. I want to show you guys the spray paint, which ones I prefer that are my favorites. And I also picked up the paint for my pedestal table, so I want to show you guys that as well. I don't think I'll start painting today because it's already a little bit after 5, so I'll probably start that tomorrow as soon as I get home. I got home kind of late today. I had to run some errands, but let me go ahead and show you what I've already spray painted. And then I stopped by King Dollar and picked up a flower pot, and I'm going to spray paint that. And what else am I going to spray paint? I'm going to spray paint a piece to another flower pot. So just want to show you guys how spray paint can make a big difference. But let me show you this pot that I've already, or this ceramic piece that I've already spray painted. Okay, so I thrifted this a couple of weeks ago. It was a white And there was two different colors at the bottom. But this is a DKNY Home. This is like just a ceramic, I don't know what to call it, just like a ceramic piece. But I'm going to use it as a planter, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. But I will insert the picture of what it looked like before, and let me show you how I'm going to make it a planter, because it's deep. So in order to make it a planter, you have to add some height. So this is how I add height. Okay, this is a planter that I'm not using, so I'm going to take this and set this in here. So that'll give me some height. Okay, so let me get the plant. So this is my neon pothos, and I'm going to put her right in here, and voila. So if I didn't add that other pot in there, then of course it would have been too deep down, and her foliage wouldn't have been able to hang over. But yeah, guys, you just have to just be creative and just kind of think outside the box. When I picked this up, I knew it would be perfect for a plant, but I knew, I know it's kind of deep. So again, you have to add height to it so that your plant is just not like stuck down in the bottom. But yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous and I love it. So let me show you the other two pieces that I'm gonna spray paint. So the Rust-Oleum brand is my favorite spray paint to use. This is the color that I did the ceramic piece that I just showed you. This is Champagne Mist. This is Canyon Black, and this is a satin. I'm going to use this on the nightstand in my room. And then this is Pearl Mist. I use this on another piece, and I'll show you guys. It's another thrifted piece that I got. But Rust-Oleum is one of the best brands in my opinion. And then I always try to get something, or I always try to get spray paint with paint plus primer, because it'll cover your item a whole lot better. So let me show you the items that I'm going to spray paint. I thrifted this one, and I'm going to cover it. I'm going to make it matte black, well, satin black. I didn't get a matte black. Matte black is my favorite, but they didn't have any, so I'm going to go ahead and use this satin. And then I'm going to cover this one as well, and I got this one from King Dollar. And this is a big pot for $1.39. So let's see how it comes out, guys. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here is the pot, and I absolutely love it. It looks 100% better. And again, guys, this pot was $1.39 from King Dollar. So I'll probably go back and get a few more because I have other plants that I need to put planters in. The spray paint gave it a completely different look. And I mean, you can't go wrong with black. And then here is the gold pot, and I put my golden pothos in that one. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and I'll give you another look at the other pot that I spray painted, the gold pot. So I put the neon pothos at the top of the plant stand. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it there. I just playing around with the stand, trying to see how I'm going to style it and which plants I'm going to put on the stand. But yeah, the ceramic piece looks completely different. So yeah, all right guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because it's already long enough. It's about maybe 15 minutes. And this is gonna be a week of DIYs, knocking out all of these projects that I need to do around my home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit the bell notifications, like and share, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.